Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Webflow to WordPress migration for design consistency, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Webflow account. Navigate to the project you want to migrate. Click on the Settings option located in the project dashboard. Select the Integrations tab from the Settings menu. Look for the Export Code section and click on the corresponding button. Download the zipped code file to your computer. Next, log into your WordPress account. Ensure you have an active theme that can handle custom code. In the WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance and then select Themes. Choose Add New and upload the zipped code file. Once the upload is complete, activate the new theme. After activation, go to Appearance and click on Customize. Adjust the theme settings to match your Webflow design aesthetic. Navigate to Plugins in the WordPress dashboard. Install and activate a page builder plugin if necessary. Import any custom CSS from your Webflow project. Make sure to test the responsiveness of your new WordPress site. Review all pages and elements to ensure design consistency. Finally, publish your changes and make your site live. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.